Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to connect a wireless printer to your Windows launch computer guys. Let's jump straight into it. I would recommend actually going online to the manufacturer's website and downloading the applicable driver setup software package for the printer that you can download as a setup executable file. Let's fix that issue guys. You can go ahead and check that and go to search menu and type settings, open it. Select the Bluetooth and devices left side. On right side select printer scanners, and in here you need to make sure the printer are connected to your computer. You just need to add your printer to your computer guys, and make sure you connected to your network also, and make sure networking is turned on, share networking is turned on. Let's check guys. Go to search menu and type control, control panel, open it. View by to category, go to network and internet, and network and sharing center, click on it. On left side change advanced sharing settings, click on it. In here we just need to turn this on guys. Network discovery and file and printer sharing, you just need to turn this both of this on. You just need to check whether your computer has turned on this both of it, network discovery and file and printer sharing. Just need to turn it on. After that be if you are using a wireless printer trying to share your printer with other computer on your network guys. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.